friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology. In today's video, we will talk about a 6 planetary conjunction that is going to happen in the sign of Taurus in the year 2024 on 5th and 6th June. So, what is the impact when 6 planets come together in the sign of Taurus, which is also India's ascendant? We will do a deeper analysis of this 6 planetary conjunction. So this is the chart on 5th June 2024. The same planetary combinations are also observed on 6th June 2024. Now you can see a purple square here which represents the sign of Taurus or Vrishab, and in that you can see 6 planets are present. Jupiter represented by Ju, Sun represented by Su, Ur is Uranus, Mo is Moon, Mercury represented by Me, and Venus or Shukra represented by Ve. So you can see totally 6 planets are present on these 2 days in the sign of Taurus. Now let us understand one very fundamental principle. When there are lot of people put together in one room, what happens? There is a lot of talk, there is a lot of commotion, sometimes there are disagreements, there are arguments. In this case, 6 planets have been put in one chamber called as Taurus or Vrishab, which actually represents money, finance, economy. Taurus also represents the earth element. It is an earth sign and its symbol is represented by a bull. So Taurus also represents stubbornness. Now in this room, suddenly 6 planets with different behaviors, different attributes are put. So what is going to happen? It indicates chaos in that sign. It indicates some kind of confusion in that sign. It indicates some debates in that sign. Also, this will be the day of Amavasya because Sun and Moon are very close to each other. In this combination, we have Venus and Sun at 21 degrees in the sign of Taurus. Jupiter is at 8 degrees. Mercury is at 10 degrees, Moon is at 9 degrees, and Uranus is at 0 degrees. So you are seeing that Uranus is just trying to enter into the earth sign, and therefore this earth sign of Taurus is heavily activated. Now when so many planets are present in the sign of Taurus, which is the natural second house in the zodiac belt, it indicates problems in the economic situation across the world. So this may be a time of recession or when there is severe economic depression across many countries in the world. Another point to note is Pluto, which represents death, destruction followed by rebirth, is also present in the earth sign of Capricorn, shown by the red circle with letters PL. And Virgo or Kanya, which is an earth sign, also has a malefic planet called Ketu, represented by the letters KE. Mars, which represents the earth element, is present in its own sign in Aries, which is a good thing, but it is aspected by Saturn, shown by the blue arrow. So Saturn is aspecting Mars. So during this time period, you can see 2 things. One is that the earth element is very heavily activated. Especially the sign of Taurus is very heavily activated. So also within Capricorn there is Pluto, which is not a good thing. And in the sign of Virgo you have Ketu. So this combination points towards a very strong earthquake occurring somewhere in the northwestern countries that is towards the northwest side of India. Now, this earthquake can also come and affect the north regions of India, mainly the Delhi NCR region, the Himalayan belt region, because this combination of 6 planets is also happening in India's ascendant, which is represented by the sign of Taurus. Also, it is the time of Amavasya. Typically, earthquakes occur during Amavasya or Purnima. So, there is a strong chance of a very heavy earthquake occurring in the northwest side of India, that is in Pakistan, Afghanistan, and also the northern regions of India like Delhi NCR belt, the Himalayan region belt, Himachal Pradesh. All these areas there is a potential earthquake which can occur during this time frame of 5th and 6th June 2024. Now you also need to look at the moon. The moon is the third lord in India's horoscope, and the moon represents the neighboring countries of India. It also represents the border regions of India, and the moon is also present with Uranus, Jupiter, Sun, Mercury and Venus in the sign of Taurus. So this could be a time when border disputes can bother India very much, especially in the northeast region such as Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, and mainly these disputes can come from the Chinese side is what I see. So definitely the months of June 2024, especially the period between 5th and 6th June 2024 is a very critical period for India, because there is a possibility of a very strong earthquake happening either in the northern side of India, that is the Delhi NCR belt, the Himalayan region belt, or countries to the northwest of India such as Afghanistan, Pakistan and those regions. Because too many planets are in the sign of Taurus, it indicates a lot of conflicts, mainly economic depression in the world, recession in countries such as USA and the European countries. Note that Jupiter is a very heavy planet. Uranus represents suddenness, and Uranus at 0 degrees trying to cross into the border of Taurus and Mesh will definitely trigger some sudden event, and in all probability this looks like a very strong earthquake in the northwestern side of India. I have already told you which countries. So this is the belt which needs to be careful in this time, especially with respect to an earthquake, and India also needs to be cognizant and very careful in this time with respect to border disputes with China. So Chinese aggression is possible in this time in the northeastern regions of India. One more thing is Rahu is present in the sign of Pisces with Neptune. Neptune and Rahu both indicate illusion. The sign of Pisces indicates water bodies, and Rahu is also trapped in a Pap Kartari Yoga. He is surrounded by malefics on either side, that is Saturn and Mars. So definitely this is not a very good indication for the overall world economy or the world situation. Rahu in Pisces, Jupiter with Venus in the sign of Taurus, both can indicate lot of conflicts based on religion across the world. So this time frame 5th and 6th June indicates some sudden event happening. So friends, I am making this video well in advance just to caution people. So don't get scared, but be cautious during this time frame, especially those who live in the northwestern region of India. That's all from my end. If you like this video, please mark it as liked on YouTube. For any queries, you can write to us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com and we'll be glad to assist you. So friends, thanks a lot. Bye. Take care and stay safe. We'll see you soon with another video.